Ever feel like you're late into trades or fighting the market's direction? This strategy helps you spot trend bias first, then jump in at high probability reversal points.
Here's how it works. We use 3 tools. The custom indicator binary trend sniper to determine market bias. Green bars equal bullish bias. Maroon bars equal bearish bias. The indicator BB alert arrows, which signals possible reversal points arrows based on fractals plus outer bands of the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands to mark price rejections or bounces from the midline or outer bands.
Buy setup. Binary trend. Sniper shows green, bullish bias. Price shows rejection at the mid or lower Bollinger Band line, or lower outer band. BB alert arrows gives an up arrow signal. The candlestick that aligns with the arrow should be a high probability pattern like a bullish pin bar or engulfing. Enter buy on the next candle after confirmation. Set stop loss below the fractal low of the entry candle. Exit. Close the trade when the BB alert arrows plots the opposite arrow, down, or bias changes. Sell setup. Binary trend. Sniper shows maroon, bearish bias. Price shows rejection at the mid or upper Bollinger Band line / upper outer band. BB alert arrows gives a down arrow. The signal candle is a bearish pin bar or bearish engulfing pattern. Enter sell on the next candle after confirmation. Stop loss goes above the fractal high of the entry candle. Exit when a up arrow from BB alert appears or trend bias shifts. This strategy works best in markets that are trending slowly, not wild chop. Time frame matters. Use the 30-minute, 1-hour, 4-hour, or daily charts for cleaner signals. And as always, never risk more than 2% of your account on a single trade, and place your stop loss before entering. Clean setups plus proper risk equals consistency wins. The Trend Sniper reversal strategy gives you a 2-step filter. Bias first, then reversal entry, helping you trade with the market, not against it. Want the free indicators and MT4 templates for this exact strategy? Go to forexmt4indicators.com. Start trading smarter today.